Hello, so today what I've got is a grandfather clock that appears to be homemade because I don't expect a clock to look this old to have like a 31-day style movement in it, which it does. So I don't know how old this is really. I mean, the case is probably older than the movement. I mean, it's 31 day. I tried winding it and there's a gong in there, and it even has a repeat cord. You can even see it in there, although I don't feel like setting it off. Clock is $985. Keep in mind I'm in a very high-end store right now, so I'm gonna show you the chime.
It probably just does on the hour, or does it do half hour too?
No, it goes on the half hour as well. There, it's going fast.
I'll be right back if you have a question.
Okay, thank you.
Take your time, you're very welcome.
Sorry. And it's really nice. I'm gonna give it another go. You can even see it in there. Very nice piece, even if it is not really that old. Well, that's about all I got for you today. Bye, guys.